A very warm welcome to the CAD Designers Models YouTube channel. This is going to be the part 2 video of the basic tools used in SolidWorks. So in this video we are going to see about how to draw an arc, an ellipse, and also how to insert a text. As said in previous video, to open the page the part is selected. As soon as the page is open, the first process is to select a plane and give the sketch option. The ellipse button is choose. Click at a point where you want to start your ellipse. Then left click at a specific distance and then drag outwards to form a ellipse and click OK. As you may see, the dimensions are changing. As soon as the click is done, we can change the dimensions using Smart Dimensions. This can also be used to specify the length and breadth of the ellipse. As you may see, the breadth of the ellipse is getting specified. We can even change the dimensions to this. And now the length of the ellipse is being changed. To delete the entire diagram is selected and the delete key is pressed. The second is partial ellipse, which would be available in the drop-down box. Select a point where you want to start. At a specific distance, click the left button of your mouse. Then drag outwards to create a partial ellipse and click at a point from where you want to start your partial ellipse and again click at a point where you want to stop the partial ellipse. As you may see, the ellipse is occurring. This is known as the partial ellipse. The entire diagram is selected and the delete key is pressed to delete the diagram. The next comes the parabola. A parabola is a curve where any point is at equal distance from a fixed point and a fixed straight line. Select a point where you want to start and after a specific distance left click on the mouse. Then select a point from where you want to create a parabola and then click on where you want to stop your parabola. As you may see on the screen, this is how it appears. Then to delete it, select the diagram and press delete. Next comes the conic. Select a point where you want to start at a specific distance, left click on your mouse and drag outwards, where you can see a conic surface which is displayed in yellow color. Then select a point to specify the height of the conic surface. Then select another point in between from the top point to the baseline to specify the conic surface. Even you can adjust the conic surface through the points. The height can also be adjusted through the single point. The next process would be inserting the text. Before inserting a text, it is recommended to create a center line. The center line is created to keep it as a reference line for text. Then the text icon is clicked. Now type the wordings you want to write as text in the text box. As you see, now we are typing as CAD Designers Model. Now, if you want the text above the line, select the line in the curve section. so that the text will be placed over the line. Now the process to change the font size of font is as shown. Take the tick mark out and select the font icon. From there you can change the font style, height of the text, etc. Not only the line, even you can also create an arc and you can place the text on the arc also. As you may see, the font size has been increased. Now we are decreasing the font size so that it may appear in the whole. So this is our part 2 video on creating an arc, ellipse and a text. Kindly share your support and please wait for the next video. Thank you.